Hi everyone, today we are reviewing the Syncwire. This is a portable inflatable device. Let me go ahead and show you guys the back here. If you want to pause the video to read some of this information, you're more than welcome. This is the SW 2002, so I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested to purchase this item. But let's jump right into it. This is a pretty cool device. It comes with everything that you need. All the little fixtures, a little baggie, the USB-C, by the way, charging cable, everything that comes with it. And I'm going to go into some of the functionalities and cool things I like about this. So let's jump right into this. Power button's right here in the middle. You just hold it, it turns on. There's different modes. So you can see there's a vehicle mode. You push this button right here. There's a moped mode, bicycle mode, basketball mode, and whatnot. So there's different type of modes that you can be able to use. And the PSI, by the way, goes up to 50 and 26 as the lowest PSI. So just keep that in mind. Now, if I go into different settings like basketball, it does go into a lower PSI setting, so it doesn't explode your bike, and whatnot. Or basketball, I apologize. So it's really cool that they've really figured it out in terms of doing that. You have a battery display here, and by the way, it's USB-C charging. And every smartphone nowadays, you have a USB-C lying around. So this is the great thing about this. You also have a USB output. So if you like to charge some items from this, you're able to. You also have this LED thing on the top, which let me go ahead and show you guys here. You have a white light, red light that's blinking like a hazard, and then a frantic hazard light, which I thought that was really cool. Overall, the weight of it is not that heavy, pretty good size, and whatnot. But everything comes with it, even the nozzles. So if you guys are interested in what kind of nozzles to use for the basketball, or what kind of nozzles to use for a vehicle, it all comes with the package, so don't worry about it. It comes in the box. But I will leave a link down below in the description if you guys are interested. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below in the comment section. Subscribe for more videos. I am posting a variety of different videos going over not only electronic products but technology products here on the channel. So hope you guys subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions. Press the like button, and I will leave a link down below in the description if you guys are interested in this item. Thanks. See you guys soon.